to Sweet Gates channel. Well, I haven't been posting a lot these days, but guess what I've got in the mail?
A blue-tongue skink.
Yep, and
It is only 3 months old.
God, I am so scared to open. Gosh, how do you open this thing? Okay.
And then this is the same one as Pumpkin over here. It is still a northern blue-tongue skink.
Oh my God, they packaged it really
Snug.
Oops.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. Da-na-na-na. Oh, what the? They trolled us.
Okay.
Be careful, Mom.
Oh.
It's right inside there, guys.
Okay, sweetie.
Oh my God, what do you do? Yeah, nice and easy. He's very scared.
I'm just going to put him here. Right now, we are just using a 10 gallon.
Mom, It's really scared. Put it in there.
I know. Okay, and I'm going to just, let me see this.
Be careful, it might bite you. Guys, if you're ever doing this at home, be very careful because it is scary and it can bite you.
Yeah, he's scared because he's been, the whole night he's been in this. I am going to go get him a bigger tank, but right now, just let
I
him
see it, Mom. I see the shadows.
His face.
It's right under that, yeah.
Oh, hello there.
And there it is.
Hi,
That is Aspen.
Hi, Aspen.
He has a white body type, so yeah, that's what
Oh,
we're calling him.
wow.
As you can see, he is only 3 months old, so he is fairly small compared to Pumpkin. But even Pumpkin is not fully grown. And he has a white body color, and his name is Aspen. It is a boy, right?
Yeah, it's a boy.
Yeah, so it's
Okay, we'll get him settled down, and we're going to get a bigger tank for him, and then we'll show you guys all the whole update.
Okay, see ya.